Struggling with a faulty GPS cable that just won't stay connected? Imagine swapping it out for a power cable that fits perfectly and powers your device without a hitch. That's exactly what you get with this accessory power cable designed to keep your GPS running flawlessly. I recently replaced a worn-out cable on my GPS that caused constant connection issues. The original cable wouldn't screw in properly, leading to frustrating interruptions. After switching to this replacement cable, everything clicked into place effortlessly. The 2-meter length gave me the flexibility I needed, and the sturdy 4-pin connector ensured a rock-solid connection every time. It's made in Mexico with quality materials, weighing just under 0.3 kilograms, so it's lightweight but durable enough to handle daily use. What stands out is how straightforward the installation is. No more wrestling with loose wires or unreliable connections. Plus, this cable supports power input, power control bus, and an external alarm, covering all the bases your GPS needs. If you're hunting for a dependable replacement cable without breaking the bank, this one checks all the boxes. It's a smart upgrade that makes your GPS feel brand new again. If you've dealt with flaky power cables before, this replacement is worth a look. It's proven to solve connection headaches and keep your GPS powered consistently. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free GPS performance and peace of mind on every trip.